Welcome back to video number 6. In the last video, we learned how to do simple math. But what if you have hundreds of rows of data to add up? Doing it cell by cell would take forever. Today, I will show you two powerful shortcuts, the sum and average functions. Let's supercharge your skills. Instead of typing equals A1 plus A2 plus A3, we use a built-in function called sum. Simply click on the empty cell at the bottom of your numbers, type equals sum, and open a parentheses. Now, select the entire range of numbers with your mouse, close the parentheses, and hit enter. Boom! You just added hundreds of numbers in a second. Want an even faster way? Excel has a magical button just for this. Select all your numbers, including the empty cell below them. Now, go to the Home tab, look at the top right corner, and click the Auto Sum button. Instantly, Excel writes the formula and calculates the total for you. It's that easy. Next, let's find the average value. This is perfect for calculating average sales or scores. Type equals average, open a parentheses, select your range of numbers, and close the parentheses. Press enter, and Excel instantly calculates the average for you without any complicated division. Here is a pro tip. If you just want to quickly check the total or average without writing a formula, simply select the numbers with your mouse. Now, look at the bottom right corner of your Excel screen on the status bar. Excel quietly shows you the average, count, and sum right there. Congratulations! You now know how to handle large data sets using sum and average. In the next video, we will learn how to sort and filter data to find exactly what you need. Download the practice workbook to try this yourself. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. See you in video number